Hey friends, welcome back to our happy and fun place. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make different color background, coffee painting, crayon sketching art and फेविकॉल embossed art.
अगर आप मेरी चैनल को फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन विद ऑल नोटिफिकेशन.
Now let's begin and let's see how we can make such beautiful colorful background with the help of plastic bag and color brush pens. Place any transparent plastic bag or plastic OHP sheet on white paper. Draw random design on plastic sheets with the help of color brush pen. Here I have used Camlin brush pen. Now spray the water on all over the sheet and then turn the plastic sheet back to the white paper. Gently press and spread the water all over the white paper and let it dry. Let's try other color combination with the same process. By doing this, you will get a beautiful colorful background for your picture. You can do mandala art or doodle painting on this background and it will come out beautiful. Repeat the process until you get the background of your choice. Once it gets dry, you can draw your design or pictures with black pen. Then you can cut the design in different shapes and highlight them by giving them a fine borders. I made these greeting cards with the same process and cover it with the plastic tape for better look. Now let's go for a coffee painting. This painting is done by Freya. She is 11 years old. As this is her first attempt to do this painting, but I am really happy with the output. Here we have cut the design and stick it on the cardboard. Now mix the coffee powder with water and mix it well. We need to keep its consistency just like a watercolor. Keep in mind, for darker shade, take more powder than water. For lighter shade, take less powder and more water. Now put the design on the paper and dab the coffee liquid with the help of sponge as shown. We can directly do the painting with the paintbrush just like we are doing with the watercolor. Here I am showing other way to do the painting so that you can do it very beautifully even if you don't have good skill of painting. Friends, if you want to join us in the journey of exploring new art and craft activities, don't forget to subscribe us. Now with the paintbrush, draw your design. Give some shading effect for better look. Just like coffee painting, you can do the turmeric painting by using turmeric powder in place of coffee powder and follow the same process. Don't you think it is super easy and super fun to do? Now let's learn different color texture with crayon. First, as a base color, we need to apply any lighter shade of color and then on the lighter shade of color, apply darker shade of color. Friends, do like this video and share with your friends so that maximum kids can learn from this tutorial. With future videos, we are coming up with more exciting and fun art and craft techniques and activities. So stay tuned and be in touch. To apply different texture, we are using scratcher here, which is come with the crayon kit. You can make different texture effect with different parts of scratcher. When you scratch and make design with scratcher, the below color comes up and it looks beautiful. Just look at the technique carefully and follow the same process with crayon. This is super easy and super fun to do art activity for kids. You can use this texture design in your different drawings. Now let's see another way of sketching art. Here we are applying multicolors on the paper as a base. After that we are applying black crayon color on the sheet. After that, with toothpick or any sharpened thing, you can make designs, you can write anything on it, and by doing so, the base color will come out and it looks beautiful. In place of black crayon color, you can also apply acrylic black color as well. It will give same effect. Let's move for the Fevicol embossed art. For this, draw any design and color it with sketch pens or brush pens. After that, apply Fevicol in all over your design or drawing. And let it dry completely. After it get dry completely, you can see the emboss effect with shine. अगर आपको इस वीडियो में से कुछ भी सीखने को मिला है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स.
Hey friends, जाने से पहले do not forget to check out our other amazing top videos.